Maybe worth setting your alarm extra early the next few mornings, as there's an amazing lineup happening just before dawn that involves the moon and planets and some stars as well. First up on July 7th at dawn, Saturday morning, look towards the east for an amazing lineup of planets Jupiter, Venus, and the red giant star Aldebaran, which is the lead member in the constellation Taurus the Bull and represents the red eye of the bull. Now, it'll be a beautiful sight, the three of them, and Jupiter and Venus are going to be very close. In fact, it'll be close enough that with an outstretched arm, you could cover the two planets with just your palm. So it'll be very spectacular. And then on July 9th, 2 days later, you again at dawn, looking towards the east, this time you'll see Venus and Aldebaran being extremely close together, about a degree apart. That means that you could probably cover the pair with just the width of your thumb at an outstretched arm. So very, very spectacular. It's amazing to think that this is all an optical illusion, their proximity, because Venus, being only about 100 million kilometers away from us, Aldebaran is a whopping 65 light years from us and represents a red giant star, a star that's dying and kind of looking towards the future of what the sun will look like in about 5 billion years from now, when it's dying. Now, then we flash forward to the ultimate in the sky watching story, which occurs on July 15th, and that is again at dawn, looking towards the east. You'll have a spectacular triangle visible, made up of the crescent moon, Venus, and Jupiter. It'll be a beautiful tight triangle in the east, very spectacular, and it'll be neat because it's a crescent moon. And what's neat is if you look between those the slender horns of the crescent, you'll see a ghostly image of the full moon. And that's not an optical illusion. That's what astronomers call earthshine. You actually can see the reflection of sunlight off the oceans and cloud tops of the earth bouncing off the darker side of the moon that's unlit. And that's what allows us to see the entire disk. So it'll just make for a spectacular view on July 15th. For more stargazing information, visit my website, thenightskyguy.com.